Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. We last have a look at Worcester Bosch. The customer's complaining he's got intermittent H09 and he's got no hot water heating. So in this video we're going to hopefully diagnose it and repair it, and if you enjoyed the video don't forget to like and subscribe. Guys, this video was sponsored by Easy Estate, your local letting agent in Birmingham. As an introductory offer, we're offering all our landlords free boiler repair cover and gas safety certificate. So if you're interested, give us a call now. Now, like I said, the customer says he's got a H09 coming up. Now, according to manufacturer's instructions, H09 is pump communication error. So basically, there's a problem between the pump and the circuit board. So first of all, I'm going to check the pump out, just in case if it's a weak pump or anything. Because at the moment, the boiler is working fine. While I've been here, the boiler hasn't come up with any codes yet. So still waiting. But the pump looks fine, looks solid. So that's eliminated. Well, I'm just going to check the hot water at first. Let's see how that's doing. That's warming up, that's hot. We're going to try the heating on now, see if that works. Right guys, the boiler's working fine at the moment, no H09, nothing, so I can't stay here for too long. But I do know the pump is working fine, so my suspicion is going to the circuit board. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come back and bring a circuit board with me, and we're going to test it out again when the H09 is on. If there's any voltage going to the pump, then the pump is faulty, but if there's no voltage going to the pump from the circuit board, then we're going to have to change the board. Right, come back to that. And H09. Now we know it's the circuit board or the pump. Well, I remember testing the pump out. The pump is quite strong. So I bought a board. A board. Circuit board. I'm going to change that. Hopefully that will do the job. So now, can't even reset it. So there's no point checking the voltage going to the pump or all that. So we got it. So no voltage going to the pump. Poor pump, can't do nothing. So we're gonna change the board on it. Yeah. Taking voltage. So what we're gonna do first is power off, fuse out. Yep. So avoid everything in, and then just got the broom to put in. Let's find out now. Right. Yeah, man. So I got this board out. This is the board that I've got from this box. Brand new. I'm not gonna mention the company name that where I got it from because they normally look after me. They're normally really good. But today, man, look. So anyway, this is the board I took out. Look at that, and you can see the stains on it. It's not faulty. It's giving me H09. Yeah, I'm gonna put this back. Maybe they could reset it and all that. And this is the board that's come out. Look at that. I'm not gonna. And anyway, when I put it in, it wasn't working. It was giving me, it was flashing H09A. Basically, it was accepting the cartridge which goes there. So it didn't work. Right, we've got a new board now. Thankfully. Okay. Take the old one out. I'm gonna put a brand new one in. Hopefully now should work. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Right, we got the hot water on. That's nice and hot now. Oh, that's okay.
You know, normally, right, I'll set it up on 42 degrees.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
That's basically it. Right, guys, just sorted this one out. Came down a couple of days ago, diagnosed it was a circuit board, was an issue on it. Went out, bought a circuit board. Unfortunately, they gave me a faulty board. So it was, as you've probably seen, you'll see in the film. But then I had to go back. A bit of an awkward situation, the way, because the state the board was in. But anyway, thankfully they didn't give me any issues. They just changed it for me. So I'll come back, put a new board in. This time it was a proper new board. Put it in. It's all working fine now. It's all tested. It's all good. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham, boiler fix.